Welcome, weary calculus student. You've survived the battles of algebra and lived to tell the tale of trigonometry. Now, you face your greatest challenge, derivatives. But don't worry, we're about to find peace in this beautiful chaos. Or at least pretend to for the next few minutes. Take a deep breath in and out. Let the stress of limits, variables, and that one professor who insists on using obscure notation drift away, like a half-finished problem set you swore you'd get back to 2 weeks ago. Inhale deeply, like you're collecting all the terms of a polynomial that's somehow grown too big for its own good. And exhale slowly, as if you're canceling out common factors, because, let's be honest, we all know the real joy in calculus is finding that perfect simplification. Now, imagine the derivative. Yes, the dreaded derivative, the slope, the instantaneous rate of change, the mathematical version of life coming at you way too fast. But today, we are not afraid of it. Today, we embrace it, like a long-lost friend who knows exactly how steep life is about to get. And remember, in this moment, the only limit that matters is the limit of how much caffeine you can safely consume before your next study session. Picture yourself standing on a gentle hill, a calm, soothing parabola. Let's say the curve is y equals x squared. You're at the vertex where x equals 0, and the slope, well, the slope is 0 too. Ah, sweet, sweet 0, the number of problems you wish you had right now. But as you step forward, things change. Suddenly, x equals 1 and the slope is now 2. Life's getting steeper, manageable, but you're starting to feel the burn. The panic creeps in, like when you realize that the test is in 2 days and you've only made it to chapter 3. Then, without warning, x equals 2 and the slope hits 4. Now it's getting real. You're no longer walking up a hill, you're scaling the side of a mountain, armed only with a dull pencil and a vague memory of last semester's notes. But breathe. This is just differentiation. Totally natural, happens to the best of us. The derivative is not your enemy. It's more like an annoying friend who always tells you how fast you're messing up at any given moment. But even that friend has some useful insights. The derivative shows you how fast life changes, and sometimes it's calm, like a nice, boring straight line. And other times it's all over the place, like your emotions during finals week. But here's the secret. Even when things get wild, there's always a method to the madness. For every peak, there's a slope of 0 waiting for you. Like that blessed moment when you realize you've somehow made it through a problem set without crying. As we wrap up this meditation, take with you the wisdom of the derivative. When life starts to get steep, when you feel like you're about to roll off a cliff, just remember it's all part of the curve. Every high, every low, every confusing equation, it's just calculus trying to teach you life's most valuable lesson. Nothing stays flat forever. Until next time, breathe deeply, embrace the chaos, and remember, with every challenge, you can take it, one derivative at a time. Or, if all else fails, one coffee at a time. May your GPA be ever in your favor.